Although crypto mining has only been around since Bitcoin was first mined in 2009, it's made quite a splash with miners, investors, and cyber criminals alike. Here's what to know about cryptocurrency mining and how it works. Crypto mining, or crypto mining, if you'd prefer, is a popular topic in online forums. You've probably seen videos and read articles about Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, and other types of cryptocurrencies. And in those pieces of content, the topic of cryptocurrency mining often comes up. But all of this may leave you wondering, what is Bitcoin mining? Or what is crypto mining? In a nutshell, cryptocurrency mining is a term that refers to the process of gathering cryptocurrency as a reward for work that you complete. This is known as Bitcoin mining when talking about mining Bitcoins specifically. But why do people crypto mine? For some, they're looking for another source of income. For others, it's about gaining greater financial freedom without governments or banks butting in. But whatever the reason, cryptocurrencies are a growing area of interest for technophiles, investors, and cyber criminals alike. So, what is cryptocurrency mining and how does it work? Let's break it down. But before that, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NFTs Explained. Do check our description. There we have links of some amazing courses that will definitely help you in your crypto journey. What is crypto mining? Most people think of crypto mining simply as a way of creating new coins. Crypto mining, however, also involves validating cryptocurrency transactions on a blockchain network and adding them to a distributed ledger. Most importantly, crypto mining prevents the double spending of digital currency on a distributed network. Like physical currencies, when one member spends cryptocurrency, the digital ledger must be updated by debiting one account and crediting the other. However, the challenge of a digital currency is that digital platforms are easily manipulated. Bitcoin's distributed ledger, therefore, only allows verified miners to update transactions on the digital ledger. This gives miners the extra responsibility of securing the network from double spending. Meanwhile, new coins are generated to reward miners for their work in securing the network. Since distributed ledgers lack a centralized authority, the mining process is crucial for validating transactions. Miners are therefore incentivized to secure the network by participating in the transaction validation process that increases their chances of winning newly minted coins. In order to ensure that only verified crypto miners can mine and validate transactions, a proof of work POW consensus protocol has been put into place. POW also secures the network from any external attacks. Proof of work. Crypto mining is somewhat similar to mining precious metals. While miners of precious metals will unearth gold, silver, or diamonds, crypto miners will trigger the release of new coins into circulation. For miners to be rewarded with new coins, they need to deploy machines that solve complex mathematical equations in the form of cryptographic hashes. A hash is a truncated digital signature of a chunk of data. Hashes are generated to secure data transferred on a public network. Miners compete with their peers to zero in on a hash value generated by a crypto coin transaction, and the first miner to crack the code gets to add the block to the ledger and receive the reward. How to start mining cryptocurrencies. Mining cryptocurrencies requires computers with special software specifically designed to solve complicated cryptographic mathematic equations. In the technology's early days, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin could be mined with a simple CPU chip on a home computer. Over the years, however, CPU chips have become impractical for mining most cryptocurrencies due to the increasing difficulty levels. Today, mining cryptocurrencies requires a specialized GPU or an application-specific integrated circuit, a SIC, miner. In addition, the GPU in the mining rate must be connected to a reliable internet connection at all times. Each crypto miner is also required to be a member of an online crypto mining pool as well. Different methods of mining cryptocurrencies. Different methods of mining cryptocurrencies require different amounts of time. In the technology's early days, for example, CPU mining was the go-to option for most miners. However, many find CPU mining to be too slow and impractical today because it takes months to accrue even a small amount of profit, given the high electrical and cooling costs and increased difficulty across the board. GPU mining is another method of mining cryptocurrencies. It maximizes computational power by bringing together a set of GPU under one mining rig. For GPU mining, a motherboard and cooling system is required for the rig. Similarly, ASIC mining is yet another method of mining cryptocurrencies. Unlike GPU miners, ASIC miners are specifically designed to mine cryptocurrencies, so they produce more cryptocurrency units than GPU. However, they are expensive, meaning that as mining difficulty increases, they quickly become obsolete. Given the ever-increasing costs of GPU and ASIC mining, cloud mining is becoming increasingly popular. Cloud mining allows individual miners to leverage the power of major corporations and dedicated crypto mining facilities. Individual crypto miners can identify both free and paid cloud mining hosts online and rent a mining rig for a specific amount of time. This method is the most hands-free way to mine cryptocurrencies. Mining pools. Mining pools allow miners to combine their computational resources in order to increase their chances of finding and mining blocks on a blockchain. If a mining pool succeeds, the reward is distributed across the mining pool in proportion to the amount of resources that each miner contributed to the pool. Most crypto mining applications come with a mining pool. However, crypto enthusiasts now also join together online to create their own mining pools. Because some pools earn more rewards than others, miners are free to change pools whenever they need to. Miners consider official crypto mining pools more reliable since they receive frequent upgrades by their host companies, as well as regular technical support. The best place to find mining pools is CryptoCompare, where miners can compare different mining pools based on their reliability, profitability, and the coin that they want to mine. Is crypto mining legal? Most jurisdictions and authorities have yet to enact laws governing cryptocurrencies, meaning that, for most countries, the legality of crypto mining remains unclear. Under the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, crypto miners are considered money transmitters, so they may be subject to the laws that govern that activity. In Israel, for instance, crypto mining is treated as a business and is subject to corporate income tax. In India and elsewhere, regulatory uncertainty persists, although Canada and the United States appear friendly to crypto mining. However, apart from jurisdictions that have specifically banned cryptocurrency-related activities, very few countries prohibit crypto mining. Our Freeman Law Cryptocurrency Law resource page provides a summary of the legal status of cryptocurrency for each country across the globe with statutory or regulatory provisions governing cryptocurrency. And do take note that this is not financial advice. So dire before engaging in any kind of financial activity and play at your own risk. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoy the content of this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Until then, take care.